Assalamualaikum my dear viewers, how are you all? Hope you are well. Today I will show you how to solve FC error code of higher washing machine, and you can see this is higher 14 kg inverter washing machine. Usually your washing machine shows the code if there is a problem with the PCB board, so that is the main reason. So now what I have to do, first of all, first I open the PCB board from the bottom of the machine. You can see is there have screws. First I open the PCB board from here. Usually inverter washing machine have such as a bottom board. After opening the PCB board, you can see now I have to cut the opposite side of the PCB board. For cutting, I took a knife and a gas burner for cutting. So now I will heat the knife well and cut the opposite side of the PCB board. So be carefully, because this knife is very hot. You can see. I cut the around the back of the PCB board, and you guys should do this very carefully. Hot heat so that you don't feel your body, so be careful. So now I open the cover on the back side of the PCB board with a screwdriver. You can see I'm trying to open this. I already opened this back cover, and right now I am doing, after opening the back cover, there is a rubber coating on the board, so I have to remove this. Now I am checking this board is properly working or not. So I checked well with the meter, and then I had an AC voltage bulb with which I was checking to see if the current was coming through properly. So you can see all places are receiving electricity properly. After testing properly, I found a problem here. There was no electricity connection on both sides. I tested. Then I took a small wire and then I connect the two sides that didn't receive current together, so that is why I'm doing this. I connect these two sides with a small wire. After that, I welded these two sides properly. You can see, after welded these two sides properly, right now it's time to test the machine, is it properly working or not. So now I will check the machine. For checking, first I switch on the machine, then start, and can see the motor is running. It's not showing the error code. Now I will put the cover on the back part of the PCB board of the washing machine. Now I select the machine in spin mode, and I will check the machine it's properly working or not. I already select spin mode, and right now I'm waiting for result. You can see the machine is started running. It's not showing any error code. Finally, I solved the previous problem. This moment I will hit the knife again and Solder the backside of the washing machine PCB board properly. You can see. After completing welding, I will set the PCB board as it was before. If you guys like my video, please kindly subscribe my daily repairs on YouTube channel and also like the video, press the bell icon for getting new kind of video fast. For knowing any necessary information about this topic, please kindly comment below the video. See you in a new video. Until then, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.